Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Tuba City sits at the western edge of the Navajo Nation in northern Arizona, serving as a quiet but important crossroad between desert landscapes, tribal communities, and regional travel routes. It is not a large town, but it plays a central role in daily life across this part of the reservation, providing services, schools, and healthcare for surrounding communities spread across wide distances. The town developed along historical travel corridors that connected Navajo lands with trading posts and supply routes. That legacy is still visible today. Tuba City functions less as a tourist destination and more as a working community shaped by geography, tradition, and necessity. Long stretches of open land surround it, reinforcing how remote this region remains compared to Arizona's major population centers. A key cultural anchor here is the Explore Navajo Museum. The museum focuses on Navajo history, identity, and continuity, presenting information from a Navajo perspective rather than an external one. Exhibits introduce visitors to Navajo Nation as a living society, not a historical footnote. Governance, language, and community structure treated as an ongoing system that continues to evolve today. Inside, displays cover traditional lifeways, family structures, and the importance of land and place. Stories are framed through Navajo values emphasizing balance, responsibility, and connection, rather than conquer or expansion. The museum also explains how Navajo governance operates, highlighting its independence and role in managing education, health, and land use across a vast territory. Art and cultural expression are another focus. Exhibits include examples of weaving, jewelry, and craftsmanship, presented as functional and cultural practices rather than decorative objects. These work reflect skills passed through generations, tied directly to family knowledge and regional identity. Beyond the museum, Tuba City itself reflects the realities of reservation life. Infrastructure is practical, distances are large, and daily routines are shaped by travel, weather, and access to resources. The surrounding high desert landscape reinforces a sense of scale that defines this region. Roads stretch outwards towards smaller communities, mesas, and open plains. Together, Tuba City and the Explore Navajo Museum offer insight into a place that is not designed for spectacle. Instead, they provide context. This is a community grounded in continuity, where history, culture, and daily life remain closely connected to the land and to each other.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.